It helps you digest your food more efficiently, improves circulation, and has been used for hundreds of years to improve memory. And if I could just remember the name of this awesome herb I'm supposed to discuss today. Oh yeah, rosemary. Rosemary is a perennial, evergreen plant with woody stems, needle-like leaves, blue flowers, and is part of the mint family. It is a very tough plant and is easy to grow. Rosemary is drought resistant, and some cultivars can withstand temperatures down to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. The leaves and the flowers are medicinal. Rosemary is well known for its use in flavoring meat dishes, especially lamb. It is a bitter herb, and when bitter herbs are taken before or with a meal, they stimulate the production of gastric juices that help you digest your food more efficiently and completely. Then, as the food moves through the digestive tract, it is more easily absorbed to nourish your body. When taken in larger amounts, it can calm an upset stomach after a meal. It can relieve bloating, belching, and nausea. Because it can improve circulation, it can help if you have low blood pressure. This same effect can be helpful in easing headaches, especially migraine headaches. It is high in antioxidants that may help enhance your immune system, decrease inflammation, and protect you from cancer. Rosemary has been used topically to stimulate hair growth and prevent baldness. It is antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, and can be used as a mouthwash to prevent bad breath. The fragrance of rosemary may help you be more alert and focused. And while more studies are needed, it has been shown to improve mood, increase learning capability, and improve memory. Some studies show that it is useful in preventing and improving memory loss in dementia and Parkinson's patients. Rosemary can be made into a tea using 1 teaspoon of dried flowers or leaves in a cup of just boiled water, covered and steeped for 20 minutes. This can be drunk up to 3 times a day. For use as a mouthwash, the tea can be used as a swish and swallow after allowing it to cool to a comfortable temperature. The same tea can be used as a hair rinse after it is cooled. Gently massage the tea into your scalp and allow it to set for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it out. It can also be made into a 1 to 5 tincture. 1/2 teaspoon of this tincture can be taken up to 3 times a day. Rosemary liniment can be used to rub into sore, achy muscles to relieve pain. While rosemary is safe in foods, it should be avoided in medicinal amounts if you are pregnant. And it should be safe if you're nursing, but check with your healthcare provider before using large amounts of rosemary. While rare, contact dermatitis has been reported in some people using topical rosemary preparations. Also, if you drink too much rosemary tea, it may cause stomach upset, which kind of defeats the purpose of using it to relieve stomach upset. If you're ready to learn more about growing and making your own herbal medicines for you and your family, watch this next. Thank you for joining me today to learn how useful rosemary is in both your food and your herbal medicine cabinet. Stay healthy. Don't forget to use that rosemary, and have a blessed week.